The stage is all set for NDTV Indian of the Year 2025. Get ready for a star-studded evening as stars begin arriving in Delhi. Actress Janhvi Kapoor and Sayara fame actor Ahan Pandey are already in the capital, while Aryan Khan will make his first public stage appearance at NDTV Indian of the Year. The Indian women's cricket team has also reached Delhi for the event. NDTV Indian of the Year 2025 celebrates those shaping the idea of India today and its tomorrow. Top achievers from sports, arts, movies, governance, science and many more will be honoured tonight. Join us 6 p.m. onwards today. And well, for more on this, my colleague Gargi is joining me live. Gargi is there at the hotel where the event is about to start. Gargi, what's happening? Take us through. How's the preparation looking like?
Well, preparations are taking place, Rahesha, but I want to first show you our wall of fame. You spoke about how Aryan Khan is coming. We've had such iconic moments in the past. This was one of those between Shah Rukh Khan and Amitabh Bachchan, when one of the Indians of the Years. As you said, Indian of the Year has always, NDTV Indian of the Year has always recognized those in society. Take a look at this. We have the women cricketers coming today. This was the year we had the men, cricket team and a very young Dhoni, Mr. Arun Jaitley now, of course, again, for whom a whole stadium has now been named. But it's not just about the stars and, the celebrities. It's also been about acid attack survivors who've gone on to make a name for themselves and shown true grit. We've had iconic moments like this one between Lalu Prasad Yadav and Devanand when they were hugging. And Lalu was I remember this year, very excited to meet him. Rajnikant with Dr. Manmohan Singh. And we've honored jurists, those who've contributed to society. Justice Leela Seth as well there, one of the years when she received it. So yes, many such iconic moments have taken place over the last couple of years. It's been about celebrities, singers, those who've made a positive contribution to society as well. So let me take you to the, what's happening backstage as we are preparing for Indian of the Year and to receive all our guests. There's been a little bit of stress, of course, because of Delhi fog. Many of the flights too have got cancelled. So some of our guests are running late, but as you said, Rahesha, a lot of them have already arrived. And here, let's take you through to the hall where all the magic is going to take place later today. And you can see all our anchors are busy preparing. I can see Vishnu and Shiv right here. Vishnu, you've been part of so many Indians of the NDTV Indians of the Year. What are you looking forward to today?
It's a polite way of saying I'm old, huh?
No, Shiv, where are you running?
Please notice Shiv quietly exits. No, it's incredible because Indian of the Year is where it all comes together. NDTV Indian of the Year is the heart and soul of what NDTV is all about, honoring the finest in India. It's something we look forward to through the year.
And Vishnu, we've both been a part of many NDTV Indians of the Year, so I'm not aging you there. Shiv, what are you looking forward to tonight?
Well, it's my first NDTV Indian of the Year, but I've just had a look at the incredible Hall of Fame of all the past winners. So what an incredible honor. And Gargi, you and Vishnu have seen so many of these. And you're both not old, by the way. And it's incredible. I think it is not only such an honor, but the NDTV legacy and brand. Lots of people do these things, Indians of the Year and summits and conclaves and stuff. But when NDTV does it, I think it really means something. It's not just an award, it's an honor, and it's an entire country and a legacy that stands behind it. So I can't wait to see what happens this evening. It's incredible.
That's right, and as we've been showing you through the day, many of our guests have already started arriving. Aryan Khan, Janhvi Kapoor, the women's cricket team, they're all going to be right here. This hall is going to be filling up very soon. And here you can see some of the behind-the-scenes action that's taking place. And there we have the dry runs on the stage as well. And I don't want to, there you can see we have our anchors over there running through. There's Alex. Are you all set for your first Indian of the Year?
Absolutely. I'm looking forward to it. I'm actually going through the list of potential awardees, and it's quite the star cast.
That's right. So you can watch all the action right here at 6 p.m. Rahesha, back to you.
Gargi, it looks like preparations are in full swing and NDTV Indian of the Year is the heart and soul of NDTV. Thanks for getting us all the action that is going to come at 6 p.m. onwards on our channel. All right, let's also now take a listen to Neeraj Gaiwan, the director, who has to say something on the NDTV Indian of the Year. Take a listen.
एनडीटीवी के इंडियन ऑफ द ईयर शो के लिए तमाम हस्तियां दिल्ली पहुंच रही हैं और आज शाम वो कार्यक्रम देखना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा। एक खास मेहमान हमारे साथ है, फिल्म डायरेक्टर नीरज घेवान। कई फिल्में वो बना चुके हैं और यहाँ पर होम बाउंड फिल्म की भी काफ़ी चर्चा हो रही है। एनडीटीवी के दर्शकों को क्या कहना चाहेंगे, खासतौर से इंडियन ऑफ द ईयर जो हम लोगों का खास शो?
देखिए, देश भर के लोगों में ये कुछ लोग आप जो भी गौरव दिख रहा है वो बहुत अच्छी बात है और उनके साथ आज मैं समय बिताने वाला हूँ, उनके साथ बातचीत करूँगा, उनके रूबरू होऊंगा, तो ये मेरे लिए बहुत सौभाग्य की बात है कि एनडीटीवी ने जो चूज़ किया है इंडियन ऑफ द ईयर, तो उसका मैं बहुत तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ उनको, एनडीटीवी को। और मैं सारे दर्शकों को ये कहना चाहूँगा कि हम जिस कगार पे खड़े हैं, जिस दौर में हम जा रहे हैं, उसके लिए हमको आपस में आत्मीयता लाना जरूरी है। एक दूसरे के लिए सद्भावना, प्रेम, चाहे हम लोग मतभेद अगर हों, चाहे हम लोग एक दूसरे से डिफर करते हों, आइडियोलॉजिकली डिफर करते हों, लेकिन हम सबको आपस में एकजुट होना ज़रूरी है। शायद ये इस वक्त की सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी चीज़ यही है। हमारी फिल्म होम बाउंड भी यही मैसेज देती है, तो मैं आशा करता हूँ कि सारे जो आपके व्यूअर्स हैं वो सब इस चीज़ को सोचें और करें।